Good morning, K. Shepherd Elementary.
Today is Wednesday, January 18th, 2023.
Please stand to join me in the Pledge of Allegiance and a moment of silence. Salute, pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
When's today's breakfast and lunch? Breakfast: Colby cheese, omelet, mini waffles, juice of fruit. Lunch: lasagna rolls, green beans, salad, rolls, fruit of choice, juice of choice.
Today's weather: high of 74, low of 64, rain showers, and 46% chance of rain.
Birthdays: January 18th birthday: Safara Thomason, Elvis, Romano.
Today's announcements: cafeteria. Thank you for teaching, modeling, and enforcing the expectations in the cafe. The noise levels are much better. Please continue to use the cup system. Hallway and restrooms. Students should be silent during transition times and when visiting restrooms. Continue to monitor restrooms and make sure that appropriate behavior is being displayed. Uniforms. Remind students of our uniform policy, particularly outerwear and shoes. Only school-approved outerwear should be worn once they are inside the building. Jackets and sweatshirts should be a solid color, gray, blue, or black. Hoodies are not an approved uniform option. Please make sure students are wearing solid colored sweatshirts or jackets in compliance with the uniform. ACAP. Students, the ACAP will take place in a few weeks. This is our time to get into.
Important days: January 20th, 100 day of school. January 27th, honor walk. February 30th, faculty meeting. February 20th through 24th, Mardi Gras break. March 7th, spring pictures.
Question of the day by Naomi in Ms. Barnes' class. What is the most common allergy? The most common allergy is milk.
Send us your question. Are you curious about something? You can submit questions to the question box located in the library.
Joke of the day. Why is 6 afraid of 7? Because 7 ate 9. That's all for today's news. Have a wonderful Wednesday.